I've had the urge to build a rocking chair. I think it'll be nice just to chill and rock away on a warm summer's evening. My first inspiration was this deck chair. Then I saw this with the slats, and I like that. And I like the design of this rocking chair as well. So I'm going to mix it all together, see what happens. It's just going to be a prototype, this. So don't expect anything too pretty or anything with structural integrity. Hopefully everything will work out good in the end. I'm going to recycle this chair for the wood. It's a shame to pull it apart, but it's not the comfiest chair. And it was supposed to look like one of these. And I don't know what happened. I'm going to use the dimensions for the rocking chair from this lounger. It works good as a chair, it's nice. These pieces are the perfect length for the back legs, so it's a bonus. I don't know if it's necessary to have the back angled on this design, but I'm just going to go with it anyway. Apparently 15 degrees is a good angle. Just making sure I got all my angles right here. This is where we're at. I'll show you drilling the pocket holes in a bit. From the top I've got maybe back legs, then my front legs, 4 side sections, 2 cross sections, and the threaded rod to tie the rope round for the seat. I think in the final design I'll use a wooden dowel to tie the rope round. cut all these side sections all the same length, thinking they'd fit in here. But that's not how it works, is it? I needed more cross sections, so I'll just use those pieces of wood for these cross sections. Here I'm just tying the rope on just to get an idea of the length that I'll need. When I'm doing the final design, I think I'm going to learn how to do some fancy knots. One that's stronger, that's going to hold. Here we go. Ooh. It is flimsy as anything. It is a wet lettuce. At the moment, this is not a chair. Luckily, I added these like side braces, and it stiffened it up a lot. I can actually sit in it now. And the rope seems to be a good length. These pieces of wood are from a previous project, from when I built the bed with the slatted headboard. I cut them all to length and even stained them. And I just realised they were just too short for what I wanted. Sometimes I like to cut things by hand, just to cut down on making too much noise. Staples are a bit long, so I'm raising the staple gun up so the staples don't go through. I don't want staples going up my bum. I hadn't really thought about how I was gonna do the rockers. Luckily, I found this website, Rocking Chair University. I think what I've gathered is it times the height of the chair by pi, which is 3.14, and that should give the radius that I need. I think the chair's going to be higher than what I measured because I didn't allow for the chair to be bolted onto the rocker. So the radius probably could be a bit bigger. So when I do a video of my final design, I'll show all the aspects of the build. Here in this video, I'm just working things out. I think I've got a really good idea how to build a really good rocking chair. As you can see, I had to swap out these side pieces. I drilled all the pocket holes in the wrong position, and all my screws were bursting out. It was falling apart and everything, but it's all right now. I think I need to do a bit more experimentation with the rockers. I had to have this plank of wood just to balance stuff out.